Hola clase! I wanted to give you this video to show you what you should do for the activities due mañana, el 14 de septiembre. So since VoiceThread is not working, I have created another discussion board for La Reflexión Oral 2, and you are going to respond orally to the following questions. ¿Cómo es tu familia, grande o pequeña? ¿Cuántas personas hay en tu familia más cercana? ¿Cómo se llaman? ¿Te gusta celebrar tu cumpleaños con tus amigos o con tu familia? ¿Y qué actividades te gusta hacer con tu familia? And if you notice here, I have created some sentence starters for you where it is using the question, right, to respond in a complete sentence, right? So for number 1, you would say, mi familia es grande o pequeña, ¿no? En mi familia más cercana hay 10 personas. Ellos se llaman Isabela, Ismael, etc., right? You'll keep going here, so you can use these to help you as sentence starters. You will click here into our discussion board. You'll create a thread, and you'll put your Zoom information, your Zoom link there. So let's see how we can create a Zoom link. So you'll go to zoom.us, sign in. This is how I get to Zoom. I don't know how you guys get to Zoom. It might be different. So I always go to SSO, where you log in with your organization's info. You'll go to tamusa.zoom.us, and it logged me in already because I'm already logged in. You might have to use your username and password. You'll go here to meetings. Everybody should have like a personal room, or you could just put host a meeting with video on. That's one option. I usually go here to personal room. I'll start my meeting. I'm choosing this, right, the Zoom meeting. So it's logging me in. I'm joining with the computer audio. Here you see, here's my Zoom. I'm trying to move this. Okay. So I'm trying to make it bigger so that we can see everything here. Of course, no me deja. Okay. So you'll look for the record option. So it says here, record on the computer or record to cloud. I always choose to record to the cloud. So now my recording is in progress. You can even see it says recording up here, and you'll answer the questions here, like mi familia es grande, mi familia es pequeña. So then once you have finished answering the questions, you will stop the recording, hit yes. You do have to end the meeting for it to like start processing the video. So you'll head back to your Zoom, sign in. What's this? Okay. You'll head here to recordings, and you'll see, okay, where was it done? In my personal room, and it's processing it right now. But you'll click here, when it's done, you'll click share, and it will give you this link. So you'll push copy, you'll close that, you'll go back here to the forum, create a thread in the forum, and remember to put here like what it is. You're just your name, right? Reflexión Oral 2. And then like your name, or just your name here, right? Then you'll put the link. It will give me a passcode so that I can view it, and you'll submit. Okay? That is what you are going to create. You also might get an email, right? So like they could also send you an email. So that's what we'll be doing for the Reflexión Oral 2, because VoiceThread is not available yet. And then if it does become available, we'll hopefully use it for future Reflexiones Orales. Right? That's it. If you have any questions, let me know.